How to install Sunburst chart in Microsoft Excel. Click on Add-ins button. Click on More Add-ins button. Search Sunburst chart by VisioChart. Click on Add button. Click on Continue button. Sunburst chart add-in install successfully. How to create Sunburst chart in Microsoft Excel. There are two methods to create Sunburst chart in Microsoft Excel. Method 1, from selection. Method 2, select the dimensions and metrics from the drop-down options. How to customize Sunburst chart in Microsoft Excel. Click on Properties button. Click on Labels drop-down to show or hide labels, numbers, and percentage. You can also customize the colors to suit your requirements. You may also toggle the level legend's visibility to show or hide it.